Hello, young boy.
Hi, sir.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm also good. So, tell us about yourself.
My name is Umang Vedwan. I am from Budot. I have passed 8th. Nowadays, I am studying in ninth class and learning spoken English. And about my family, there are 11 members in my family. And about my hobby, I like to play shooting. And my aim is to become Olympic gold medal shooter. That is all about myself. If you may ask, if you want to ask something, so you may.
Okay. Why are you learning shooting?
I like it
Why do you like it?
just like that.
And why are you learning spoken English?
Because I can't understand English in my school. That's why I'm learning
So
English.
nowadays you are learning spoken English.
Yes.
That's nice.
Do you need to learn spoken English?
Yes, I need to learn spoken English
Why do you need to learn spoken English?
for understanding English.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is to play shooting.
Do you take your breakfast?
Yes, I take my breakfast
Where do you take your breakfast?
at my home.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a shooter.
In which school do you study?
I study in St. Francis School.
Where is it situated?
It is situated at Bisrol Road.
Do you drink water?
Yes, I drink water.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
Can you teach?
No, I cannot teach.
Which kind of shooting are you playing?
I am playing pistol shooting,
And how many meters?
10 meter,
And what is your top score in your shooting?
370.
Okay. What are you fond of?
I am fond of shooting.
And what are you sick of?
Nothing.
Why do you like to play shooting?
Just like that.
Do you live in UP?
Yes, I live in UP.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a shooter.
What are you doing to become a shooter?
I am learning shooting.
What do you like to do?
What?
What do you like to do?
I like to study and learning Spanish.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
At what time will you come tomorrow?
I will come tomorrow at 9 o'clock.
Do you watch TV?
No, I do not watch TV.
What have you passed?
I have passed it.
Have you gone to Agra?
No, I have not gone to Agra.
How many tournaments have you played?
I don't know.
What have you achieved in your shooting? Is that any level, district level, or
Yes, national level also I have.
you have done the national level?
Yes.
And what is your next plan?
I want to play international.
You want to play international? Okay, where will you like to play?
Time will tell.
Where do you want to live in your future?
What?
Where do you want to live in your future?
I want to live in Dubai.
Dubai. Okay.
Do you need to live alone?
No, I do not need to live alone.
Why do not you need to live alone?
It's my
Do you want to be a shooter?
yes, I want to be a shooter.
Do you earn money?
Yes, I earn money.
Why do you earn money?
Yes? No, I do not earn money.
Do you play PUBG?
No, I do not play PUBG
Why do you not play PUBG?
because I don't like to play PUBG.
Who suggested you to become a shooter?
What?
Who suggested you to become a shooter?
No one.
Have you taken lunch?
No, I have not taken lunch.
At what time have you taken lunch?
I take my lunch at 12 o'clock.
Can you speak Hindi?
Yes, I can speak Hindi.
When do you come here?
I I came daily. I come here daily.
With whom do you come here?
I come here with my brother.
Do you take your breakfast?
Yes, I take my breakfast.
Which rank do you achieve in your national match?
Sorry, I don't remember.
Okay, here we are about to finish this thing. Oh, it was a great discussion. See you tomorrow.
Okay. What?